Frogs and toads. I found a frog. Have you ever seen an unusual animal in nature? Did you want to learn more about it? Last week, I saw a really neat frog. It was the start of a wonderful adventure. I looked for the frog called in a book called Field Guide. I haven't read this yet. What does a frog say when it sees something great? Totally awesome. What? I looked for the frog in a book called Field Guide. I started looking all through the pictures. In the book, I was amazed to see all the different kinds of frogs and toads. It turns out I saw a wood frog. I wanted to know more about. So I went to the internet. Did you know that frogs and toads are relatives of newts and salamanders? They are all amphibians, which means they live part life in water, part life on land. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals. They don't make their own body heat. They get warmth from the sun. Life cycle. I also learned that most frogs and toads lay jelly-covered eggs in water. The babies hatch are called tadpoles and look like a little fish. Tadpoles breathe with gills, just like a fish. They live in water, but it's amazing what happens as they grow. Their gills disappear and they grow lungs so they can breathe air like other land animals. They grow legs and then arms. Later, their tail shrinks. By the time their tail is gone, they move onto land. I saw some very cool photos of life cycle frogs and toads. About frogs. Frogs are famous for their ability to leap with their long, strong back legs. They leap to catch insects and other prey. A frog can catch an insect in an instant with its long, sticky tongue. Why are frogs so good at baseball? Because they catch a lot of flies. The eyes of nostrils of frogs on the top of its head. Frogs can see, smell, and breathe while they are mostly underwater. In fact, they breathe through their skin while they're underwater. Frogs make an amazing amount of noise. Male frogs sing loudly to attract a mate. Do you know? Okay. What has more mouse and a cat. A frog. It croaks every night. Do you know the differences between frogs and toads? Here's what I learned from a book at the library. Frogs, smooth skin, live in wet places, long strong back legs for leaping, web feet most, lay eggs in groups. Toads, dry bumpy skin, live in dry deserts, shorter back legs for walking, no web feet. Lay eggs in long trains. Defense. I was sad to learn that frogs and toads are food for many other animals. Bats, snakes, birds, and rodents all hunt them. But frogs and toads have a clever ways to stay safe from animals that might try to eat them. Some frogs and toads, like the wood frog I saw, was the same color as their habitat. This is called blending in. It allows them to hide better from predators. Some kinds of frogs are so poisonous that just touching their skin is deadly. These frogs are brightly colored to warn predators to stay away. Frogs try to trick predators that might want to eat them. The tomato frog puffs up like a balloon. Then, when a snake gets near, the snake thinks the frog is too big to eat. If the snake tries to eat it anyway, the frog leaks a liquid like glue from its skin. Frogs are cool. Frogs and toads come in many shapes and sizes and colors. You can find them in trees, or near water, dirt, and on the ground. One thing true about all of them, they are amazing animals. What kinds of frogs have you seen? Sorry.
Good job.
So tired. If there's syllables, I will be happy, but there's no syllables. So the word match.
Welcome to Audio Word Match. Find the matching pairs.
Find the matching pairs with as few turns as possible.
Field guide. Habitat. 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 Predator. Prey. Ability. Rodent. Prey. Prey. Rodent. Rodent. ability, ability. Predator, field guide. Predator, predator. Field guide, field guide.
Good job!
Vowels are very special letters because they can all make two sounds. A long vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, and U. A short vowel says its sound. A, I, and Sometimes, though, vowels are pesky and they team up to make other sounds, like oo, ow, oi, and r. Sort each word into short, long, or pesky vowels by the sound of the highlighted vowel. Sort the word
Ability,
yes. Sort the word
field guide.
Field.
Oops, that's not a pesky vowel. Listen for the vowel sound.
E, O, D, G, I, D.
Right. Sort the word
Habitat,
yes. Sort the word
predator.
that's it. Sort the word
Prey,
Pray.
oops, that's not a pesky vowel. Listen for the vowel sound.
A,
That's not a short vowel. Try again and listen for the vowel sound.
A,
Yes. Sort the word
rodent.
See ya. Oh, crap. There's one word I love. Please let me have that word.
It's time. Use the letters to form as many words as you can,
Let's go!
including a word from your list that uses all the letters.
great word finding. anagram.
I knew that. Okay, I hate this word so much more.
Find your main word to move on. Great word finding.
Good job.